Okay, guys, we are going live. Time 10:32 a.m. Eastern. This is for the 10th day, I believe. Yep, 10th day of Christmas, guys. We go 3 times in the clubhouse. Time 10:32 a.m. Eastern. First random. 10:32 a.m. Eastern. Second random. So we gone 2 times. Third and final random, guys. 10:33 a.m. Eastern. Tyler Brown wins it. I don't think I have your address. I don't think I've ever sent anything to you yet. So if you could PM me your address, Tyler, that'd be appreciated. Random list 3 times. 10:33 a.m. Eastern. Tyler Brown. Just paste that in there. We are done. Again, time 10:33 a.m. Eastern. Thanks.